iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Final day of the season. We've been here covering most of the matches every weekend. CAF Champions League. Thank you very much for being with us for the whole season. Thank you very much, man. There's nothing much I want to say other than that. Mamelodi Sundowns winning against Cape Town City. Joseph Makhanya as well, our analyst, part of the family as well this season, a new addition. You were telling us that uyakwazi ukubulabula isitsonga.
Anasitiva ngoku ukubulabula isitsonga kama. Tsamina namatsonga la noma kukhona.
Okay, kawusithetheleke kodwa njani Sundowns?
Ningebalabula isitsonga akutalanga abantu bathi bakusitsonga ka YouTube sentabalabula sizulu makakuri kuteleni bona.
Okay, cool. Sundowns, Cape Town City, professional performance from them, confirming there was only one loss for them this season as well. Let's have a look at the match itself, the way that it was played. Good free kick, actually good goals. First two goals, the Sundowns, free kick, Lakay, a hustling Shalulile as well. Was it ever a doubt that Sundowns were going to win today?
There was no doubt. Undisputed champions.
Absolutely.
They are undisputed. I mean, the whole season, one loss. Away, they never lost a match, so it tells you about the quality that they had. So throughout the season, they dominated the EPSL. They dominated the iDiskiTV Premiership, and we are yet to see a team that's going to challenge them. Yeah. So you look at the approach. Very stable approach from inside the Sundowns. They had Charlie, a pie voter you want, la paya, they had Mabu, no.
I'm calling in front of him.
Sereno attacking over system. It was almost identical system compared to the Cape Town City, but the difference was the quality.
Yeah.
So the quality from Sundowns was way above Cape Town City. They allowed Mupara no Felix. They allowed Shalulile to run into Loma channel, and he thrives on Ogulama situation.
Yeah.
First goal, they got a free kick. I mean, you can't blame anyone.
Yeah, that was a very good free kick.
Stand still. I mean, over the wall, it was dipping. You waited right, it dipping as right, so everything was perfect about the free kick. You look at the second goal, because of they had a problem. I don't know what you can see what this guy is giving us a problem. Task somebody with at least a main market, and from Lapo
someone else is going to sweep for you.
Yeah, so party they kept on emphasizing with Babe flat, and once you become flat, he always took a run in between Bona, my shoulder runs.
Why is that always difficult? Because it's not the first time we're seeing that in the DSTV Premiership this season or last season. At some point after 45 minutes, you realize, oh, yeah, number 4 and number 5.
Yes.
Number 4.
Yes.
Why is it so difficult?
Task. I mean, to see problem. Task somebody would at least hamba nae, then I'll pick up the pieces.
Yeah.
So in the they considered a lot of goal this season. The partnership no. They kept on sitting so whole. They considered a lot of goals this season. As much as they scored more goals because of they are second after Sundowns in terms of ama goals. So Maupega ama attacks away Sundowns. They could go anywhere and still attack and give Cape Town City a problem. Ngoba ngaku right they had Mudiba, they had Sereno. So most one of Mabuya ama attacks wonke babuya ngaku side like Mudiba.
Yeah.
Then Cape Town City that's when they played a system maxisha fana. Ngoba Maupega now they allowed they dependent go Umashiro utakakupuke, they depended kumkiz utakupuke, everybody's tagged in, so they had a inverted wingers with babangene pagati, mkize kupu, shyly crossy, and hope it is but more peggy Sundowns man class no. They are very classy.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they went on, but we were cruising.
Yeah, let's talk about them. I mean, this season. I mean, today it was an insignificant match in the way of nothing could happen at the top of the league. The champions have already been decided. Let's pay tribute to Sundowns. Then the whole season, only one loss. As you were saying, Wuti never lost away as well.
Yes.
How did they do it? this time around, this season? How do they do it throughout the season?
Yeah, I think from the foundation that Coach Pitso laid, and also the understanding from Coach Mangoba, no Coach Rulane, there's a need for a continuity, tweak it lapo na lapo, and continue with what has been happening. So you check it, nama acquisition, nama players about Tolile, same players who has complement nama players about now. So there were likes, especially guma positions. We asked with more keeper low, faga low. So it became a continuity. Azang baba tirele, baba change, changes amaning, which was something which good. So it became a continuity. It means that players they really understood what is that is needed from Bona. They studied our teams about against one, and most of my teams they ended up being fans the Sundowns because they always try to copy what Sundowns were doing, playing wing backs, but they don't have the quality. Yeah, and all the time more wing backs. Ungana midfielder are right as okunu pivot ngesikhathi esi right, making sure they cover the space ukuthi sure mama wing back ngoba once udlala ngama wing back your central midfielder akabuye la pivotele emuva, then you open up ama central defense, then you know ukuthi you still solid nge3. So amanye teams they kept lawo spaces avuliwe, so any break or a transition, they get themselves exposed. So it's announced they really must start formation now. Our teams, so it became a situation with him. They never got worried too much on team that much. They kept on emphasizing style of play, imposing style of play, babonisa quality. Sure. So throughout the whole season, in terms of our goals, there was a variety. They were scoring cross, they were scoring a free kick, corner kicks. So it means they had a team ready to win the championship. All
right, last one. We've spoken about this, and you made a very strong statement. It looks like, number one, from the caliber of coaches we have, Sundowns are going to continue to dominate one, and secondly, it looks like about strategy Sundowns, but there's videos and visuals every single time. Yeah, but so what do you make of that? Where do we go forward as a country, as the other 15 teams trying to chase that one team now, 4 league titles in a row?
Yeah, I think our coaches, they need to focus on making their team strong. As much as you are worried about it, because if football, as much as you are worried about planning for that team, you need also to impose your style of play. So which is something which I feel which is lacking within our coaches. They are not imposing into by Chimai. I mean, come up with a plan now. Chimas, I need to be Chimas. So something. What were you training? Because there's preparation before my matches. So we want to see what was happening before my matches, my preparations are. Sure. So our teams, they normally focus on Sundowns they are playing in a 4-2-3-1. So Nati so set up in a 4-2-3-1. So sends an even match, but you don't have the quality to impose or engage the Google style. So it means you need to they are playing in 4-2-3-1. It's a counter formation. Counter the formation and make sure now you expose what they are trying maybe to throw go away. So you expose also every formation now in a advantage and disadvantage.
There you go.
So you need to look at the disadvantage a team and try to work on them. I who figure now so you try to when the cut and paste. When the cut and paste is asinto yako you. So it means most of the time ngena nawe study the team ukuthi Sundowns idlala kanje, how to prevent them from scoring against us. Thina masiliphethe senzani ngoba they come up, most of my coaches this season they came up ngalo plan ukuthi we are going to stop them, but mabaliphethe manje akuna plan ukuthi senzani. So and it leads to a confusion ngoba nama players, you can see with our players now, they were never really prepared kuma situation at is ukuthi siliphethe manje senzani,
what do we do with them?
So all the time manje kuba ukuthi will play breaks, will transition. So shoot the whole game, you will always be waiting block and jalo vigi Sundowns up until they create one moment but then from Lapo you are lost in a plane.
All right, there you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns winning the league. Well done to them. It was confirmed with 3 matches to go. Today was a formality, but they were professional and they defeated Cape Town City. iDiskiTimes.co.za, iDiskiTV on Facebook as well. We are sponsored by World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching.